Hi everyone, welcome. Today, we're diving into a crucial skill for anyone working with data, calculating uncertainty in Excel. Uncertainty is all about understanding how much your measurements might vary. It's about knowing the reliability of your data. Let's get started and make uncertainty calculations less uncertain. First, let's understand the basics. Uncertainty represents the range of values within which the true value likely lies. Think of it as a buffer around your measurement. There are different types of uncertainty. We'll focus on standard deviation for this video. Standard deviation measures the spread of data around the average. Now, let's jump into Excel. Open your Excel sheet with your data. This data could be anything: temperature readings, weights, or experimental results. To calculate the average, use the average function. Type =average, and then select your data range. Press enter. Excel will give you the average. Next, we calculate the standard deviation. Excel offers a STDEV.S function for sample standard deviation, which is usually what you want. Type =STDEV.S, and again, select your data range. Press enter. This gives you the sample standard deviation. Now, understanding what this number means is important. A smaller standard deviation means your data points are clustered closely around the average. A larger standard deviation means the data is more spread out. To express uncertainty, we often write it as the average plus or minus the standard deviation. For example, if your average is 10 and your standard deviation is 1, you would write it as 10 plus or minus 1. This tells us the true value likely falls between 9 and 11. But what if you want to calculate the uncertainty for a calculated value? For instance, if you added or subtracted multiple measurements. Here, we use propagation of uncertainty. For addition and subtraction, you add the uncertainties in quadrature. This means you square each uncertainty, add them together, and then take the square root. In Excel, this looks like SQRT, uncertainty 1/2 plus uncertainty 2/2. It sounds complex, but Excel simplifies it. For multiplication and division, you add the relative uncertainties in quadrature. Relative uncertainty is the uncertainty divided by the measured value. Then, the combined relative uncertainty is multiplied by the calculated value. Don't forget about significant figures. Your uncertainty should only have one or two significant figures. Round your calculated value accordingly, so it matches the precision indicated by your uncertainty. It's all about presenting your results honestly and accurately. By calculating and understanding uncertainty, you're making your data more meaningful and reliable. This knowledge is essential for making informed decisions based on your data. Thank you for watching. I hope this video clarified how to calculate uncertainty in Excel. If you found this helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel for more data analysis tips and tricks. Your support helps us create more content like this. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in future videos. Happy data analyzing!